Hello everyone, this is Anurag Kumar Singh, roll number 21MT10005 from section 11. For my DIY assignment 3, I have created a circuit diagram of LED temperature indicator using Tinkercad. As we all know, during the summer season, throughout the country, most parts experience tremendous heat waves, with temperatures soaring as high as 45 to 50 degrees Celsius. So I thought of a system which could be installed in your car, your public transport, or even in your rooms, which could indicate whether the temperature inside is viable for you to enter or not. So first let me show you the simulation. I have considered the temperature ranges between 20 and 50 degrees Celsius, with red indicating the maximum temperature of 50 degrees Celsius and blue indicating the minimum temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, as you can see on the serial monitor. Talking of the circuit, I have connected the LEDs in series with the resistor to the digital output, and a temperature sensor is connected to an analog input. Also, while connecting the resistance, I made sure that its value is not less than 100 ohm, as a value lesser than 100 ohm could decrease the life of the LED. For the code, I created a variable temp and mapped it to range between 20 and 50 degrees Celsius. Then I used 5 if-else statements to check for each glowing condition of the LEDs. Now let's copy the code using the blocks plus text feature on Tinkercad and compile it on an online IDE platform. So I have copied the code in an online Arduino IDE. So let us check if it compiles well or not. Yeah, it works fine. Thank you.